I am blessed to have so many patients trust in me and my office's ability to provide outstanding aesthetics. And as you can see from the cases on your screen, our results truly speak for themselves. We take a lot of time and we put in a significant amount of effort, not only to do the surgery right, but to get the teeth right. In every one of these cases, these patients all have beautiful teeth, all resurrected and all created by me and my team. And we really take pride in our outstanding post-operative results. I think these results just speak for themselves. When you look at these patients, you can see the glow in their eyes. They are happy, they are confident, they truly look amazing. There is nothing that they can't do. All of our patients have chosen us. We thank all of our patients. We could not do this without you. To date, we've completed over 2,000 of these surgeries, and that doesn't even include all the other stuff that we do. We really have a truly amazing team. We have a system that works, and we're able to provide some of the best results.